Be sure to subscribe for more content.
What is up, ladies and gents? Welcome to the BigBC Finance Channel, and I hope you're having a very lovely day today. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Luna Classic, what has happened to it recently, and where I predict the price to go to in the near future, as well as some key price levels and some trades I'm looking to make. So be sure to stay tuned for all of that. And of course, if you appreciate the daily content on this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. So let's get back into those annotations here on Luna Classic. And what do we see here? So basically, on Luna Classic, we've been in this uptrend, which is very nice to see. So from all these videos that I make on this channel, I did predict that we were going to see this change of trend sooner or later, whereas we were coming down following this downtrend here, because what we basically saw was we saw a trend line that kind of guided the trend downwards here for Luna Classic. And of course, when we did break above that, along with some other technical signals that we saw, which I do discuss in more detail in my previous videos, then we saw the price go into this new trend. And so far, it looks quite strong in the sense that we've been bound by this support line now, and there's been so many tests of the support line. Same with the resistance that we got going here. And what it looks like we have is this channel that's generally going up. Of course, I'm a little bit nervous right now because we're very close to where the trend line is, and we're close to this all important blue line here, this 100-hour moving average, which basically dictates the trend for us. If we're above this blue line here, then we're typically bullish. If we spend more time below this blue line, we're typically bearish. So that's of course what we saw in this downtrend. The price was mostly below the blue line there. So now we flipped that, and now we're going in a more bullish trend. But the thing is we're really close to this support line here, and we've got a resistance that I think looks a little bit more like this in play. And of course, I do think we're going to see some sort of breakout happen soon. So we've got this, as I said, strong support line that's been tested at least 6 times now. I'm not going to count them here, but there's a lot of tests of this support line that you can see here. So a very strong support line. And we've got this resistance, which has been respected at least 3 times. We can say it's been respected here as the price came out, but quickly shot down within the hour there. So we've got 4 tests of this resistance, and I do believe we're coming into a wedge. And I do think Luna Classic is going to make its mind up soon. So we do see this triangle, then we could see a pump of this kind of magnitude up to the upside. So let's say we break out here, for example, within the next few hours here on Luna Classic, then we should see that price target hit around 27.3 cents. But if we break below the support line that we have here, and obviously break below this 100-hour moving average as well, then we should see the price plummet to around 22.1 cents. Of course, there's a very strong support that I have in this area at 22.5 cents. So I think for me, that will be the ultimate price target where my kind of cursor is right now. And of course, that forms the bottom over here as well. So that's why I'm eyeing that level if we do break below the support. On top of breaking below the support as well, if we do break below that, then needless to say, we're going to be in a more bearish trend. Of course, the moving average is going to be above this price action if we do break below like this, and we would have lost this all-important support line that we have here. So that would be a very bearish scenario. Hopefully, what we do see is the price push up further, something like this, for example, where kind of bound in this channel, but we're moving in a general upwards direction. To me, that is good progress. But yeah, I'm really looking for this pattern at the moment, this kind of triangle that is forming. I don't see too much else here on Luna Classic. It's been fairly sideways trading, and I'm a little bit disappointed, if I'm honest, that we didn't see more of a pump as we did with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Of course, I say this because, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are both meme coins, and Luna Classic, has the same sort of vibe. Of course, it wasn't intentionally created as a meme coin, but the fact that we've got a community that's kind of building on top of Luna Classic, the more light-hearted vibes. We're not trying to be the next Ethereum, for example. So we're more of a light-hearted community here at Luna Classic. We kind of retain some sort of meme coin status. But so just by that virtue, I would have expected a bit more of a pump that kind of confirmed from Dogecoin, which is basically 2x now from where it was just a few days ago, and Shiba Inu, which has seen a similar price movement, not quite as much, but still at least 40% up. I would have expected to see some sort of gains conferred from those meme coins onto Luna Classic. So disappointed to see that, Luna Classic has been really trading sideways over the past few days. But who knows, maybe we do see some bullish price action from Luna Classic, from Dogecoin and Shiba Inu conferred onto Luna Classic in the future, as people start to realize that Luna Classic is more of a community-run project, similar to that of Shiba Inu, than it is a project run by Do Kwon. So for the community of Luna Classic, there is still work to do. I do think there's some awareness that still needs to be spread in the fact that we are a community-led project that resembles more of a meme coin like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin rather than a failed project of Do Kwon. So that's pretty much all I have to say in this video. In terms of my outlook for Luna Classic, I am still bullish, but more long-term bullish. That is, of course, we've got this channel going up still, and We've got this bullish channel going up in this upwards direction. Of course, I still think we could hit 30 cents if we can adhere to this channel. But, you know, if we're starting to see failure around here and we fall below the support line, this yellow support line, and this 100-hour moving average, then things are going to start looking quite bearish here on Luna Classic. So really tense right now because, of course, we're very close to it. I don't regard this candle going underneath a break of that trend line, because the price came up quickly within the hour, so that's fine. But it's just the current price action right now coming very, very close once again. So of course I update my trading view whenever I see any trades. Of course I update my trading view when I make any trades, and of course, so I update my trading view if I make any trades here on Luna Classic. So be sure to follow me on my trading view, which is linked in the description below. But otherwise, that's all I have to say on Luna Classic. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you're still holding any Luna Classic. And otherwise, I'll see you on my next video.